guys, it's Shelby, otherwise known as Shelbizleee here on YouTube. How would you guys feel if I ever didn't say that at the beginning of my videos? Would it feel really off? Anyway, I wanted to do something for you guys today that's a little bit different. I'm basically going to vlog this week because you guys know, that is absolutely an essential part of my life. As you guys know, I'm now working from home. I'm doing a lot of different things and I want to take you guys along with me so you can see what I'm up to, what I've been doing, what it means for me to like be working from home and all that good stuff. Did you want to say hi? Yeah, you cute? But that's it for now. I hope you guys are excited to see basically what I'm gonna get up to this week. Excited to introduce you to some cool people, and yeah, let's get started. So first things first, outfit of the day sort of thing, I don't know. Today, what's happening, the first day of me filming this week in my life, I'm going to a dinner with someone who I think is a subscriber. That's what I gained from our conversation, and also works for Greenpeace. So they're in town doing something and they want me to come over and have dinner with their team from Greenpeace, which I think is gonna be so much fun. But yeah, I'm just wearing this shirt. You guys saw me thrift this. It's just like blue and white striped shirt, and then also this jacket you guys have seen me thrift. It was in my followers thrift my outfit video. It's from Torrid and it's literally still in stores for $70 and I got it for 10. On the bottom, I don't know, can you see? I'm just wearing leggings and they're actually secondhand as well because my sister became obsessed with this brand of leggings. It's like a multi-level marketing brand that she like loves their stuff, and she just like became infatuated and bought so many leggings that she basically gave me all the ones that she had that weren't that brand. So I have like a whole new closet of leggings that are all secondhand. Hanging out with these guys from Greenpeace was a lot of fun because I don't have any friends who really, you know, think like me in terms of sustainability. So we got a lot of good conversation going.
Okay, y'all, since we're all here, we can be a think tank. Okay. So Shelby does these anti-haul videos where she talks about wasteful, stupid shit.
Oh my god.
So we gotta come up with a lot of ideas here.
like the stupid uses for one-time plastic.
Yeah.
Stupid packaging.
Ooh, have you ever seen individually wrapped potatoes? Because we have.
We got a lot of good ideas for my next anti-haul, and then Dom wanted to show us his pitch for Greenpeace.
So you know we're nonprofit and independent with no money from corporations or governments. So Greenpeace is the largest independent environmentalist group in the world.
Good morning, you guys. It's actually pretty early for me. I am guilty as charged of sleeping in a little bit more now that I'm working from home. But because I stay up like really late, I find that I function really well like late hours of the night. But anyway, today is Tuesday. I got home from hanging out with the peeps last night. Catherine, Jordan, Dom. Oh, don't let me forget about the other ones. Zeke and I can't remember. But yeah, they were really cool. They were really fun to hang out with. It's great to meet like-minded people, and it's also great to meet people who like follow me because I don't get to meet you guys that often right now. Someday, hope I'll meet more of you, but yeah, that was a lot of fun. Have some more cool things to get up to today, but I received a package in the mail and I wanted to let you guys know about it. So we're at my desk now. You guys have seen my desk tour, and that's kind of what we're doing right now, is hanging out, and I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail. I keep this clothing rack right here, like the clothes right here, because it's great for my podcast, because the podcast arm is like right here, and leaving those clothes there makes it to where like sound won't bounce around too much. It makes the audio a lot better. So it might seem weird to have like a closet right next to my desk, but it actually makes a lot of sense for me. So the package I got is from Earth Hero, which most of you guys probably know who they are. They've been sponsoring videos on my channel recently. Every month they have like we have a deal where they'll sponsor one of my videos. So this video is sponsored by Earth Hero, and you guys know I love them so much, but if you haven't heard me talk about them, Earth Hero is basically a one-stop shop for sustainability. They not only have zero waste swaps, which is what I've talked about them before in the past, but they also have body products, which is what we're going to talk about today. You guys told me in a recent video, I asked if you'd be interested in a beauty series, and so many of you guys told me that you have had so much trouble finding like eco-friendly body products in terms of like ingredients, but also in terms of packaging. And Earth Hero has a lot of great options for body care. They also have great options for like clothing, your pets. Like I said, they're like a one-stop shop for sustainability. So I'm gonna link them in the bottom in the description box. They give me a 15% off code for you guys. So 15% off your whole purchase. And I'm gonna link what I'm talking about today, but they also will ship out your packages pretty much always plastic free. I've never received any plastic from them. They're also part of 1% for the planet. So they give 1% of all their sales to environmental organizations. They also have a very in-depth vetting process where each product and like brand that they bring into their store, there's a 5-step system to make sure they're not like greenwashing or a fake sort of eco-friendly company. So they are all around very, very cool. So I highly recommend switching over to shopping there as opposed to some other places like Amazon, because I understand the convenience of Amazon, but Earth Hero has all of the convenience without all of the slightly questionable ethics at times. So switch over to Earth Hero if you can and get a discount. 15% off is a great deal. So I'll link it below. Let's talk about what they sent me. So they sent me these body care products by a company called Plain. So they carry their products in their store and they look like this. I've been wanting to try this company for a while. Actually, it's pretty popular in the zero waste movement, or at least I think. Some of the people I follow have used it and they say they really like it. So there's a lot that's pretty cool about this company called Plain, but it's Plaine. And the coolest thing is you can see that there's some dents in the product, like in the bottle here. And some people might find that to be like off-putting, but honestly to me it's super cool because what this company does is they have a reusable like bring back program. So, and they're very upfront about it. Like they want you to know very seriously. So if you look right here, I'm gonna hide my face so it'll focus on it for you. It says return me, I'm refillable, return me. And that's because you can literally give these back to Plain products and they will reuse these bottles and send it to someone else. I mean, so obviously the packaging is great, but the ingredients are also really great and they are biodegradable. So that was actually the thing I used to look for in products before I even worried about packaging is, are the ingredients good? Are they safe for the environment? Are they biodegradable? And they are. And I'm gonna be testing these out throughout this week's video that I'm putting together for you guys. It's gonna be really cool. It did come in a cardboard box. Literally, this was it. Plain Products, that's their name. And the little pumps come in here as well. So you can reuse these. Oh, so you can reuse these and you can keep these and just ship back the bottles with the lids on them. So reuse this, they'll refill these and send these back to you. And there's no plastic packaging in any of this. So it's very, very cool. This is the definition of a circular economy and I could not be more excited to test these out. Again, I'm going to link them in the description. You can pick them up at Earth Hero. And tonight, whenever I take a shower, I'll update you guys on that. But right now, I'm actually about to interview Ryan from Earth Hero. He's the creator, the founder of Earth Hero, if you will. And so you guys can check him out on the podcast if it's live by the time this video goes up, which I don't know if it will be, but when it is, I'll link it in the description. You should just be following the podcast in general so you can know whenever I'm doing that stuff. But yeah, I have to go work on more things today. I'll catch you up whenever I am testing these out. Okay guys, I'm gonna get ready with a palette that I am also working on reviewing, testing it out right now as part of the beauty series. So stay tuned, that will come up later. We don't need to talk about that right now. I'll let you know once I've tested it out thoroughly. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready because tonight what I'm doing is going to a launch party for a new vegan, and I don't think they're zero waste, but I think they are plastic free. It's called Next Level Burger, and I'm really excited to go to their launch party tonight, but it's an evening event, so I'm gonna make my makeup a little bit darker, and I'm also having to film a video today for something very exciting, something you guys have been requesting a lot. So yeah, let me get ready and you guys can hang out with me while I do it. this seems to be the best place to do outfit of the day, so here we are again. Last time you guys saw me, I was doing my makeup. I finished my makeup. It looks like this. It's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be, but I think it still looks good. And I'm just wearing one of my favorite tops. Of course, it's thrifted, but it's kind of buttoned down, so it makes me feel like it's a little bit nicer because I don't know how nice to dress to where I'm going. I'm going to a launch party for this new plant-based burger that is coming to Austin. The company is called Next Level Burger, and they have, obviously what it sounds like, vegan burgers. They also have vegan milkshakes, which is very, very exciting. Thumbs up if you're excited to come along with me. Thumbs up if you're excited for plant-based foods. And also, I'm pretty sure they have compostable straws, and I know they use real dishes, so I think they're pretty close to plastic-free. So thumbs up for that too. If you guys are ever in Austin and want to check out this Next Level Burger, it's actually located inside the Whole Foods flagship store. So that's the first Whole Foods ever, is the one that opened up in downtown Austin. So if you guys want to check it out, look, I mean, their menu is so extensive and everything was so good. Whoa. How do I eat it? I get my reusable utensils out.
Enjoy. Hi, how you doing today?
Hi, could I just get you to put some, well, there's a little bit of water, but ice and water in here?
Ice and water? Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you. That's so cool. Tell them what we just discovered.
I discovered this about 10 minutes ago. But the sauce containers are compostable.
I've never seen that. They're not plastic. That's, oh my god, that is so cool. What is your face? You just dripped on yourself from acting like a goofball.
Delicious.
Oh my god. What you're currently seeing on the screen here is me taking incredibly too long to explain to you that I have this weird thing that I do where I twist my hair under my hair and basically turn my hair into one ginormous knot that takes me forever to brush out. Does anybody else do this? Is this just me? I don't know. It's very frustrating because then it takes me like literally an hour to brush my hair out from doing it so that I can wash it. It's miserable, but I spent way too much time doing it, and now you can just watch me try to undo the damage that I did to myself. Does anybody else do this? That's all I really want to know. Okay, yeah, carry on. Okay, this took me probably about 20 minutes. It looks a lot better. You can tell it's not as tangled, but it's also not as tangle free as I would prefer, but I really need to wash my hair so I can get going. I'm gonna go wash my hair with the plain shampoo. This is not my first time using it. This will probably be like my 6th or 7th time using it because I've been trying to test it out, and so far I really like it. The smell is great, but right now, yeah, gonna go wash my hair, so catch you guys when I get out. Okay, there you have it. You can't really tell anything that I wash my hair like from looking at it like this. But I will tell you that the plain products have essential oils from rosemary, mint, and vanilla, and it makes it smell very good. I like minty smells in my shower. Minty and citrusy, those are my two go-tos for shower smells. But yeah, I like it a lot. It actually suds, unlike some other shampoos I've tried, so I like that. And I'm actually gonna try to get a better clip of what it looks like in the shower, sudsing in my hair, because I know you guys liked that last time I tested out a shampoo. But I'm gonna do that at my mom's because you can see, like, the lighting in my bathroom is horrendous. I need to get ready because I'm meeting Eden. We're carpooling down there. Remember guys, carpool, save carbon emissions. Okay, almost done. I literally have to leave the house in like 2 seconds. I just need to put on my clothes. But I want to tell you that I'm also using the Plains body lotion. It has the same scent, so it looks like this. I showed you guys this already, but you get the idea. I only use lotion really when I get out of the shower because it dries out my skin taking a shower, even though I'm only in there for like a couple seconds. So I always put it on my hands and then on my elbows and most of the time on my feet. So that's what I'm gonna do. And you know, I actually really hate perfumes and like strong smells, so I don't wear any sort of like perfume or anything like that. But this smell will last with me for a little while, and Madison really likes that because she likes when I smell good, even though I don't like to smell myself. This is like a light enough smell that it doesn't bother me. So I've been enjoying this lotion. Let me put on my clothes, I'll show you outfit of the day, and then we'll get going. Okay, so quick outfit of the day is this sweater. I literally just thrifted it over the weekend weekend for $2.50. It was $5 and then I got it half off. My leggings are from my sister. They're hand-me-downs. She gave me all her leggings. I was really lucky. Ignore the dirtiness of this mirror. And then the shoes are Steve Madden. I actually literally just got them on Poshmark maybe like a couple weeks ago. The story behind them is that I used to own the same pair that my ex bought me in I think it's in 2013. This mirror is so dirty. Anyway, he bought them for me like in 2013. I love them so much. I wore them literally up until last fall. And they had holes in them. And then I went on Poshmark and I was trying to find the like exact same pair, and I did. These were literally $10 and then shipping was $5.99. These boots were originally like $200. So yeah, that was a score. But now you're gonna watch these boots walk out because we have got to get to going. Let's go. Alrighty, well that's it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing kind of what I got up to in the week. I'm sick, if you can't hear it in my voice. I just, like, it happened within 24 hours. I just went from, like, totally normal to very, very sick. But if you like this video, I can make more like this. Maybe not this week because of all of this, but I am thinking of doing like a what I ate in a week video because I just started getting this produce delivery subscription situation, and I really wanted to share that with you guys. But yeah, just let me know if you like this, if you didn't like it, if you watched more of these, and that sort of thing. That's all I'm asking. I'm at my parents' house, so there's my dog back there. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. If you are in the market for any new sustainable options, whether it be clothing, bath and body care, if you want to check out the plain products that I showed you guys in this video, make sure you check out Earth Hero. They support me, obviously, and it really means a lot to me when you guys support them back, because it enables me to be able to make, honestly, more unsponsored content. If I'm able to work with sponsors that I agree with, then I'm able to put more time and energy into creating my non-sponsored content and not looking for sponsors to, like, you know, show you guys. I hope that makes sense. Plus, they give you 15% off your whole purchase with my code. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out. I love you so much, and remember, until next time, you cannot do all the good that the world needs, but the world needs all the good that you could do. Bye, guys.